Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will tell you about the best software tool to scrape business leads. Visit the website www.yellowpagespider.com. Here, you can download the free trial version of the software, Yellow Pages Spider. After the downloading is completed, install the setup, and open the software. After opening the software, just select the country from where you want to get the business leads data. Just like, I selected the Yellow Pages Canada website. When the page is loaded, just enter the business name keyword in the first box and the city name in the second box. When the data is loaded, just click on the button, Get Data. The data will be collected in the form of a table. After the data is collected, click on the button, Stop, and the processing will be stopped. Now click on the Export button to get the data in Excel sheet. In this way, you can use this best tool to scrape the business leads. I hope that you like the video. Thanks for watching.